So this is my system, which is compliant management. So this is the dashboard, and then first you're going to user registration. This is the full name. You type the user name, for example Jollibee, and then email, and then email Jollibee Granton, jollibee@gmail.com, then password, then contact name, then register. If the user will successful registration, you can sign in. So you put your email, Jollibee, then password, sign in. So this is the compliant management system. First, you will having a change password. You can change your password, currently password, new password, confirm password. So kini siya, mao ni siya ang user change password only. So si user pwede maka-change of password dinhi. So we have a dashboard. 0 pa siya kay wala pa'y nakasulod na compliance. So we having a compliance not processed yet, 0 compliance status in process, and then 0 compliance has been closed. So we have a account settings. We have a profile. You can edit. Pwede nimo siya ma-edit diri within the user profiles. So we have full name Jollibee, contact number here, and state. To choose Negros, Santa Catalina, Bayan City, and Villarreal. You choose Bayan City, and then PIN code 6221, and then address Villarreal, and then submit. And then if ang user naka fill up na ingani, will be profile successfully. And then we having a, so this is mo na to change password. And then we have a lodge compliant. So kini siya ang user if nakabatchag siya og mga types of bullying. We have here a select category. If you choose physical, we having a select category: bully, verbal bullying, social bullying, physical bullying, emotional bullying. So if physical ka, choose physical bullying. And then type, we have a compliant or general query. If you choose compliant, then select. And then nature of compliant, we have a here, involves physical harm or threat of physical harm. We have here a subcategory of, if types of physical bullying, we have hitting, kicking, pushing, tripping, spitting, and damaging personal belongings. If na-kick ka, you select kicking. State, again, kung asa ka, Bayan City. And then this is a compliant details. For example, if nahuman na, and then we have a compliant related. For example, na siya picture, makaselect ka. For example, here, open. And then pag humaman na, submit na nimo. Then your compliant has been successfully filled and your compliance number is 7. Then, successful na, submit na siya. Then you will be click okay. So we have a compliant history. So mo ni siya. So compliant number 7 and date niya is 2024 6/15/2043. And then the status is not processed yet and the view details, so mo ni siya. Compliant number 7, category physical bullying, compliant type, compliant, nature of compliant involves physical harm or threat of physical harm. So compliant details, for example, and then final status is not yet processed. So rec date, so mo ni siya, subcategory kicking, state by one city, and file is view file. That's maka-view ka ang file. And then nantawa na to sa dashboard. So we have one compliant nga not processed yet. Then we have 0. So before that, we're going to log out and then proceed ta sa admin. O lantawan na to og nakasulod ba siya dito. So log out and then we're going to admin. So you put a username admin and then password admin. So na siya. Same radya po ni siya sa dito sa user. Pwede nimo siya ma-change password ini sa admin. And then we have a manage compliant. So mo ani siya. We have not processed yet compliant. We have 1 pending compliant, 2 and then close compliant 4. Kining they have a 2 and 4. This is a, for example, kini sila nga na sila sulod kay it's because ga kuan ko ga kining ga practice ko if sulod ba siya or dili. So for example na ako na ni sila gipang sulayan. So ako ni pinduton ang let's click not yet processed client. So mo ni siya. We have a Julie B, number compliant is 7 and then status not yet processed and view details. So naka-view na nato ang details sa user which is si Julie B. We have compliant number 7 and then category physical bullying, state by one city, and then compliant type compliant, and then final status is not processed yet. So we have to click at take action. So si admin na ang mo click ani, so si admin na nakabalo ani. So mo na siya. So ang status ni number 7 which is si Julie B is not yet processed. Pwede na to siya mo in process. And then we put the problem is in the process. So submit. So compliant details updated successfully. So okay. So pwede na to siya ma-view. So yan na. Jollibee's profiles, reg date. We have date and email, user email, jollibee@gmail.com, user contact number, address Villarreal, state Puyon City, country Philippines, pin code 6221, and last updation 2024 6/15, the status active. So close this window and then let's proceed to manage compliant. So, ano siya? Pending compliant. So, ano siya ang katong number 7 which is the Jollibee. Nasulod na siya sa process. Is in na process na iyang status. So, view details. Pwede na to siya mag-view. and then pwede na to siya. If the problem is fixed na, pwede na to siya ma-take action, solve. And then select, we can select close, and then we put the problem is in solved already. So submit, then okay na. So pwede na to siya ma-view user. Same ra Japon. And then we're going back to manage compliant. Not processed yet, compliance will be 0. Kay ato na siyang gi-close. Then pending compliant, first is, di ba, na process na nato siya, and then wala pa siya na process yet, and then na pending compliance siya. Tapos pag na to, gi-close na nato siya. So nabilong na siya sa close, and then the problem is already done. Final status is close. This is only for the admin. So ang admin ra pwede maka-edit sa gikuan sa user. And then we have a manage user. Mauni sila ang may problema, naka-experience of types of bullying. You can, the admin can search for the name, for example John, and then we have a John Smith, and then Joyce, we have Joyce, and then Keter, we have Keter Cruz, and then last we have a Jollibee. Then show, you have 10 entries. Pwede man maka 25, 50, it depends on admin. And then we have a add category. So we have add category here is, we have social bullying, emotional bullying, verbal bullying, physical bullying. If you choose emotional bullying, the types of bullying, you can type the description. For example, emotional bullying. For example, touchy. Create. Well done, category created. And we have here a before that, if they will done the category created, it will be makita ni siya dito sa user nga part. So if the user will fill up, makita niya if he or she choose a emotional bullying, the description will be makita niya. And then we have a manage categories. Mauni siya ang mga category, which is matong gingon is bully, verbal bullying, social bullying, physical bullying, emotional bullying. And then mauni siya. Itong atong type is emotional bullying, touchy. Pwede na to ni siya ma-edit. example, crying. Date. Category will be updated. So add subcategory, same to the add category. So we have a subcategory here. So man siya, pwede na ito siya search. We have physical. How many of physical of this? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then the verbal. So we have a 2 only. So same at the add category, we have 10 show entries. So sa user login, this will be all users who will log in to the system. This we have John, Pearl Joy, so the status is failed, success, failed, success. So let's go to the add a user. So we have to log out, then going to back to portal, and then user login. Jellybean, Gmail, 105466. So makita na to is, see, we have 0 not processed yet, and then 0 in process yet, and compliant will be closed is 1. So the 1 is, which is the Jollibee. So na-close na siya, which is kay na fix na sa admin if the user problem is solved. Kung nabutang na siya dire. So large compliant, ato lang tawon if nasulod ba to siya. Emotional, bullying, compliant, no, compliant, intent, compliant, client, interest, that, for example, state. So that's all. The number 7 will be closed already. View details. Physical bullying. Type of compliant is compliant. Ensure compliant involves physical harm or threat of physical harm. You mark the problem is in the process. The problem is solved already. Close. Then view file vision. For example only. That's all.